Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through a fix for your Instagram Messenger update. Not working or not showing up. It's pretty quick and simple. So let's jump in. As most people know that Instagram has a new crossover feature with Facebook Messenger, and so it's like you can see your messages on both apps. However, if you're not seeing the update, it's probably updated on its own. But I'm going to walk you through a way to check and see if it's there, and if it's not there to show it how to get it. The first thing you want to do is go to your Instagram, hit on your profile button at the top or the bottom right-hand corner, and then brings you to this screen, which is your main profile. Hit the three lines at the top right, then you're going to see a bunch of different options. Here is where that update would have appeared. It would appear somewhere on this page saying a messenger update. And then you just click on that, and you would update if it isn't appearing here. You want to go to your App Store and type in Instagram. And make sure that it's fully updated. You'll know because the open sign will say update, and if it says open, then you're fully updated. So once you're there, it should be showing. If you're seeing that it's not there and you're fully updated and you're like, why is it not showing? It's probably because it's already been updated. So let me go ahead and show you that. Now, if I go to Settings, and then I go to Security, and then I go to Activity Data or Account Data, you can see a bunch of different options. But right here it's going to say underneath your birth date updated to cross-app messaging January 19. So if it gives you a date there, that means that it's been automatically updated for you. You don't have to do anything and you're already good to go. If there's no date there, then it will have a Connect Over button right underneath it. Or if that is not there, you want to just go back and make sure, like I said, that you're fully updated on your phone's updated settings on the iOS settings and within your Instagram app itself. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.